the look, the hot peppers,
Oh,
cayenne
they
or
look
whatever.
nice.
This is, I think, is the regular, the whatever. I'm not sure. But this is just what. This is the mint. Look how nice it's growing again.
Yeah.
'Cause some of it died.
It's nice.
My son has some mint trees though.
Oh, really?
These get so long and it
Did you
grows
have a
all
good
over.
time?
What?
Did you have a good time?
Actually, I never grown the onions before.
Really?
No.
Yeah, those onion flowers, you can just put some batter and just fry them.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, they're big, huh?
And then you can make like a curry out of it. We just do like just the onion flowers curry by itself because we grow like a lot of onions,
So
and
this
then you
is
can
like
do
what
that.
do you call like the part that like this? There's a name for this. The freaking what do you call it when it's like that? What do you call that part of the onions when it's the grass like this?
It
I forget what you call that. It's like. You
is
know
there
what
a
I'm
name
saying?
for it?
Huh?
Is there a name for it?
Yeah, there's something. When it's just they sell it like that. When it's just the
Oh, chives.
chives. Yeah, this is the chives, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. The chives. That is the
Yeah.
chives. Yeah, it smells good. Smell it.
Yeah, it does smell good.
So you think that's that? Is that's done now? That's not gonna grow anything else now.
No, they're all gonna grow. Still keep
No,
growing.
but you mean even when it's broken, it
Yep.
might grow more?
Still keeps growing. Isn't that amazing? Keeps growing. Can you believe that? So chives, when you get it from home, from the store,
Right.
you can make it keep growing.
Really?
Yep.
You just plant it and stuff?
Yep. You just take the
So you got, like,
bottoms and
fresh
plant
stuff
them.
in it.
I'm just taking the tips
Yeah,
off.
yeah. Over there, I don't think there's nothing over there. No, leave
Okay.
that. Because
Yeah.
that's like not
Okay.
thriving. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Some of them died over there. So
Okay,
just take
cool.
the ones that look like they could follow me, whatever. Smell that. Smelling it. Wow.
It smells good,
The
right?
mint.